Have you ever craved a sweet and quick snack? Try making a 5-minute ultimate peanut butter snack with just a few simple ingredients. All you need are 3 easy-to-find ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of honey, 2 cups of rolled oats. In less than 5 minutes, you can create these delicious treats that are perfect for satisfying that sweet tooth. Follow these easy steps to make your own. 1. In a bowl, mix together the peanut, butter, and honey until smooth. Use a spoon or spatula to blend these together until you achieve a uniform consistency. This creates the foundation of your sweet, sticky treats. 2. If you're using cold peanut butter, consider microwaving it for a few seconds to help combine it more easily. 3. Add a pinch of salt to help enhance the flavor once it's mixed in. 4. Stir in the rolled oats until fully blended and distribute evenly without clumps. The oats add a unique texture and a delicious flavor that complements the peanut, butter, and honey perfectly. 5. Begin adding the oats into the mixture, stirring them continuously to make sure you're mixing them up evenly without any lumps. The oats add a delightful texture and a heartier, nutty flavor to each bite. 6. Make sure to stir in any extra add-ins like whole grain oats, flaxseed, chia seeds, or raisins for an extra nutrition boost. 7. Roll these mixture into small, uniform balls. Use a small scoop to create a small, consistent size that suits your taste buds. 8. If you want to add some extra flair, try rolling them in crushed coconut or chocolate chips once they're set. 9. Carefully place these treats onto a flat plate, ensuring they're evenly spaced to prevent sticking together. You can also line the plate with parchment paper to make cleaning up a breeze. 10. If you don't have parchment paper, foil, or a non-stick silicone mat, try using old-fashioned paper towels instead. 11. Sprinkle some cinnamon or sprinkles on top of the treats before you refrigerate them for added flavor and spice. 12. Once these snacks are firm, enjoy them straight from the fridge or pack them for a tasty treat on the go. They're perfect for satisfying those hunger pangs while also being a fun family activity. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tasty creations. Enjoy watching our latest recipes and don't forget to like and share. We can't wait to see what you come up with. So don't be shy and shoot us an email with your favorite homemade treats.